app to be sold by its Chinese parent company ByteDance, or face a ban on Sunday in the United States on national security grounds. The unanimous decision by the top court is a major blow to a platform used by nearly half of all Americans, but it's unclear what happens now. The White House on Friday said implementing the law must fall to the next administration. President-elect Donald Trump, who takes office Monday, will have the authority to grant a one-time extension of up to 90 days on the deadline for a sale. Georgetown University law professor Anupam Chander said he thinks Trump will pursue the extension, but he could take other steps as well.
The first thing he can do is ask Congress to rewrite the law, to amend the law to give him more powers and discretion under the law. Second thing he can do is issue some kind of executive order that kind of says, hey, look, in fact, national security requires that TikTok continue operating, not that TikTok be shuttered. So he could turn everything upside down by saying, if TikTok is shut, then people are moving to Red Note. And Red Note is actually a much scarier app from national security purposes than TikTok.
The ban is scheduled to go into effect January 19th. When experts say TikTok's about 170 million users in the U.S. will likely still be able to use it because it is already downloaded on their phones. Dan Ives is global head of technology research at Wedbush Securities.
Users will still be able to use TikTok. They won't be able to get updates on the App Store. New users will not be able to upload it. And eventually the data will start to become, more and more stale with no updates.
Trump said in a social media post, quote, "My decision on TikTok will be made in the not too distant future, but I must have time to review the situation. Stay tuned." President Joe Biden signed the law after it passed by an overwhelming bipartisan majority in Congress. Lawmakers on both sides of the aisle hailed Friday's ruling by the Supreme Court, saying TikTok poses a major threat to national security. On Friday, Trump said he spoke with Chinese leader Xi Jinping on several topics, including TikTok. He has said he would try to find a political resolution of the issue to keep the app operating in the United States.